In this exercise, we want to simplify the different fractions like this one. For example, this we can see we have the numbers which are 28 and 63. And A and A square. B also, which are B squared and B to the power 5. And we have the common factor for 28 and 63, which 7, 4, 9. Okay, if you want to cross it out, then of course you can just cross it out. A and A squared, so we have, in fact, you can think of A squared is A times A, and this A is also this A just remain A here. And A squared is B to the power 5, can think of B times B times B times B. 5B multiply together. So this one looks like B times B, and also to B both sides, then you have just with this one. B just like B power 5 minus 2 B2. Okay. And so the answer here to be 4 and no more. A no more, B no more, and in the denominator we have 9, A, and B, 2. That's it. For B, it seems like we can just cross out X, just think of divide both sides by X, but in fact we cannot. We need to take out the common factor first, because we need to tackle these subtraction before we have the division. In fact, we cross out X just like divide both sides by X. Okay, so just like here, in fact, you are doing dividing both sides, that's a denominator and denominator by 7, right? This one. 28 divided by 7 gives you 4. So 63 divided by 7 gives you 9. Okay, so this one also. So we cannot just cross it out. So we need to take out the common factor first. For this one, the denominator 10x and xy. So the common factor x bracket 10 minus y, because we have taken out x, then the common factor. And of course, we can check x times 10, 10x, and x times minus y would be minus xy, and divide by 5x. Right. So x can cross out now because you can think of dividing both sides, denominator and denominator by x, just like this one. And cross it out of x, like cross out into 1. So you have 10 minus y divided by 5. Again, can we divide this one and this one by 5? No, because we need to tackle 10 minus y first. But can we? No, we cannot subtract y by 10. We don't know why. So the answer just leave it. 10 minus y divided by 5. Okay. For this one. And it seems we have common factor for this one. 1 minus x. In fact, we have talked about it before. before, 1 minus x is just x minus 1 negative sign. And we can check that negative x plus 1. Of course, it is 1 minus x. That is the sign. Okay, so we can simply write 1 minus x to be x minus 1 with a negative sign. That's 6. And have 6 x minus 1. Then x minus 1 can, because I'll just think of divide both sides by x minus 1. 2 and 6. So your answer should be net x over 3. In fact, its negative sign can be on the denominator or denominator or just in the middle. That's fine. And this one, again, in fact, you know it. Just talk about it. The previous one, we have 1 minus 4 minus 1 squared. That is 1 minus 4 squared. They're the same, right? Because in this way, 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 squared, of course, is 9. And this one, 1 minus 4, negative 3. Make it squared, of course, 9. So they're the same. So just like this one, a minus b squared. In fact, it is b minus a, like a square. A minus b minus square. It's the same. If you make a square, okay, a minus b make a square is b minus a make a square. Why we want to make like this? Because we have b minus a in the denominator. So we just cross out 1 b minus a. So your answer is b minus a over 3. That's it. How about this one? Again, you cannot just cross out the x there. No, you cannot just do this one. No, because we have to check out the common factor before we have we can divide both sides by anything. Or you can simplify this first. Can we subtract 6xy squared from this expression? Can we? No, so we cannot do this. So we take our common factor first. 4 and 6. Of course, 2. They are even numbers. So x square and x. So you give x taken out, and you have y cubed and y squared with y squared, and you have brackets 2 x y minus b, no more. Okay, of course you can check 2 times this whole one. This one, 2x y squared times 2xy is 4x squared y cubed, right? And 2x y squared minus y times minus 3 into minus 6xy squared. Okay, so we explain whether we still have any common factor taken out. No, but continue. Okay, just have that. So just that. 2xy minus 3. Okay. Oh, see. same power factor 2xy minus 3. You know. So that's 2xy squared over z. Can we further simplify? No. Okay, no more method can be possible. No more numbers can be divided both sides on numerator and denominator. Then finish. How about that? Oh, this one. Let's see. B. Negative 12. So we have to go 3 first. B squared minus 4b plus 4. Remember, every time when you try to simplify any algebraic fraction, that you have to have the common difference. Okay, and this one also would have b squared 2b. So we can count b brackets b minus 2. Okay, so we have this one. Square minus 4b plus 4. We still remember this one. B squared 2 squared minus 2 times b 2. What is this? Because we have a plus b bracket square is a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Right? Or x minus y bracket square is x squared minus 2xy plus y squared. Right? This time we have x is b and y 2. So we have this one just like this pattern. So once you obtain this pattern, which is b square minus 2 times b times 2 plus 2 square, this pattern like this. Square, 2 times b is x, y is 2, like this, then you can have this back. Okay, so it's b bracket b minus 2 bracket square, right? Because you have this pattern. This pattern can change back this one. Okay, and this time x is b and y is 2. So this don't forget the denominator. So, oh yeah. B brackets b minus 2 b. Okay. And that this time again we cannot cross out b. No, because we have to check out common factor first, or you can do b minus 2 can be no, you cannot do it. So we cannot further simplify this one. The answer is just 3 brackets b minus 2 over b. Okay. Oh, how about this? And again, we have the formula for a plus b bracket square is a square plus 2ab plus b square, right? And this time we try whether this one is a square, and this one is b square, right? And this one is that 2ab, right? Because a square is 9x squared, so which is a should be bx, right? If b is y squared, b squared is y squared, then b should be y, right? So again, if this one is correct and correct, then this one is correct. 6xy is that 2 times a times b, 4. A is bx, b is y. 6 is 1. Oh, this is correct. So this is correct. So the answer, this one, can be decomposed in this way: 3x bracket squared and y squared. 2 times 3x times y. Okay, so this is the pattern here. And then you can check this one. This time A is 3x and B is y. Okay. And of course, this one is another pattern. This one is 9x squared minus y squared. That be both right. And it's 3x squared minus. So another formula. It is a squared minus b squared. It's a plus b times a minus b. So if you can make a pattern like something squared minus another thing squared, it's like this, right? So this time it's bx. This time triangle 1 is y, right? So we can write it this way. Okay. So again, make it like this: bx plus y, bx plus y. Okay. Okay. So we can cross out bx plus y on both sides of the equation. Just make of divide both sides by 3x plus y. So we still have this one, denominator bx minus y, okay. We have no more common factor, so we cannot take out any common factor. Okay, remember, you cannot do this x and this x cannot be crossed out. Of course, this y and this y cannot cross out because we need to do the subtraction or addition first, or identify common factor. Okay, such that you can cross it out. Okay, because this one is the multiplication, right? This is 3x plus y times 3x plus 1. Okay. This one is 3x plus y times 3x minus 1. Okay, just like 9x. This is multiplication. Of course, we can do, and of course, this is multiple, right? We cannot do like this. We cannot do this, right? This is 3 minus 8, and it is minus 5. No, right? No, we cannot do this. This one correct. This one wrong. This one no. Okay, so we need to do this one. Multiplication, make it multiplication, make it the common factors, and then you can cross out, or what you can think of dividing both sides by the same number or the same expression. That's the answer. Okay. For this one, change it, right? This, like a minus 2. Try to make the same the same. Negative side becomes positive. And this one again, try to think of this anything squared and this one anything squared. And this is 5a bracket squared. And this is 2 squared. Okay, both of them must be positive. And inside the negative sign, we just copy and make it like this. But this one is positive sign and this one is negative sign. So this is 2 times 5a and 2, right? Just like this. This time a, we can call it 5a, and the b is 2. Sorry, 2. So we have common factor on the denominator and 5a minus 2 take out p plus 2 plus 1. divided by 5a minus 42 bracket square. It's like this. It's square minus 2ab plus b. This time a, yeah, 5a. And the b side is 2. You can make this pattern that you can make a minus b bracket square. Okay. What kind of bracket you can say? Something square minus 2 times that thing and another thing plus this. Okay. The rectangle is 5a times, right? 5a, 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 5a. Okay. The triangle. Triangle 2. Okay. So we can cross out 5a minus 2. That's the form factor. So the answer is e plus 1 over 5a minus 2. Okay. Okay, that's it. Okay. This one is quite complicated. Let's try. 3 and 1 plus x squared. This one, make it 2 parts. And squared and plus 2 and plus 2, right? And plus 2, of course, is n plus 2 plus 1. So that common factor n plus 2. M squared plus 1. 8 and minus 1 plus n squared. Okay. So cross out the common factor. 3 and 1. Okay. This one, oh, just make 2 parts first. Let's try whether we need to check their position. Try. Plus 2 is x bracket 2 x minus 5y. That one. We may check out negative 2 and 2 x minus 5y. Check that 9 negative 2 times 2x is negative 2x, and negative 4x negative 2 times negative 5y, remember is 4, 6, and 5. Right. 1 common factor x. X bracket x, y plus 4, and now common factor 2, y plus 4. And 2x minus y, 5y, x minus 2, right? And y plus 4, x minus 2. Okay, common factor 3 now. This common factor now, and have just x minus 2. Okay, this common factor now, just have x negative, x negative, right? So we can call common factor x minus 2. Answer 2x minus 5y and minus 4. Okay, cannot further simplify this one. Okay, that's it.